Thanks everyone for joining the session. Okay, welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. So Tungabhadra Networks is a purely networking company. Okay, and we are officially part of MSME and officially recognized by Startup India as well. Okay, and if you want to know more about Tungabhadra Networks, visit our tungabhadranetworks.in website. Okay, and welcome to Tungabhadra Networks once again. And we are offering Cisco, Juniper, and Palo Alto courses. Okay, so what exactly is mean by Cisco, Juniper, and Palo Alto? So these are the courses and where you want to become a network engineer, right? If you want to become a network engineer, you want to do certifications. So these are the courses offered by the vendors. Okay, and before going to discuss about these courses, okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramesh Goud. I have total 11 plus years of experience. Okay, and this May 22nd, I will complete my 11th, 12th anniversary as well in networking domain. So I'm almost close to 12 years of experience now, and I worked in Cisco, Nokia, Juniper, and Amazon. Okay, and my colleague Karthik is also there. He has 6 plus years of experience in networking domain, and he worked as a TAC engineer in Palo Alto TAC engineer. Okay, what does TAC engineers do? Everything I'll explain. Okay, we are the two people here to complete to take a training on all these courses. Okay, so I'm telling you again, this is not a institute. Okay, this is not an institute. Institute will follow PPTs and explain you whatever it is there on the PPTs and theoretical stuff. Okay, so this is a purely networking company. And can anyone guess? Do you know any information about this company before? Just asking. Does anyone have any idea?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So it's a industrial training. Okay, so it's a purely industrial training. In what do you mean by industrial training? Means I have total 12 years of experience right now, right? So whatever I have implemented in real time, it means whatever I have done the real time in, when I'm working in Amazon or when I was working in a Nokia, Cisco, Juniper, right? So we interacted with global customers. We implemented a lot of projects. So those real time projects I will teach you here. Whatever the protocols, whatever the concepts we have right here, I'm explaining with the projects. So if you want to learn real time, if you want to learn with real time projects, this is the best training company you can say. Okay. So now let's understand what exactly this technology. So simple guys, it's internet. Okay. I'm going to give you training on internet. So how exactly internet works? Everyone using internet, right? In your mobile phone, you will use either Geo or Airtel, right? It's a service providers. Okay, maybe you can take a connection broadband also. Okay, how you will get internet connection? So one is one way is broadband connection. Okay, if you see right, this is a broadband router, Wi-Fi router, where you will see at your home, right? This is a Wi-Fi router, and this is a media converter. Okay, so if you see this is a fiber cable, right? This is a fiber cable where you connected to here, and one more cable you connected to your Wi-Fi router. From this Wi-Fi router, you will connect through cables to your TV or computers, or through Wi-Fi you can access the internet. This is one way. Another way is through mobile phone carrier, 4G 5G carrier. So in mobile phone you will have one antenna here, and you will have antennas, Geo towers or Airtel towers there. And if you are if you near to the tower, right, or surroundings to the tower, you will get a signal, and you will get a voice calls as well as internet, either 4G or 5G. This is one way. And is there any other way you can get the internet? Do you have any other way?
Directly from satellite.
Yeah, very good. Directly from satellite. So through satellite also you will get internet connection. Currently everyone using D2H, right, direct to home. How you are getting the TV channel? Similarly, you will get a internet through satellite as well. There is a satellite, and you will see the satellite antenna top of your home. From that antenna, you will get a one cable. That cable is connected to the Wi-Fi router. Same from Wi-Fi router to computer, you will get internet connection, or else through Wi-Fi you will get internet connection. Okay. Now the thing is, who implemented this currently? This anyone have any
Starlink.
idea? Starlink, very good. Elon Musk, right? Starlink, that's great. Yeah, Starlink is a company which was owned by Elon Musk. He is implementing this, satellite internet connection. You know what? This is very feasible. This is very cost effective and very reliable as well. Okay, so you will come to know soon. Okay, now these are the ways to get the internet connection. Now, I would like to describe you one thing. Everyone, everyone using Instagram, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
using Instagram, right? Instagram or YouTube or anything, right? Everyone using or not,
Yes, sir.
right?
Using.
Yeah, yeah, using. So have you imagined if you type www.youtube.com on the browser, how exactly the YouTube is loading? You are searching something, videos, and it is loading. However, one more example. You have take a snap photo and it is having 4 MB, 5 MB of data, and you are uploading the photo in Instagram, and it is storing in Instagram server. How exactly it is happening? You are sitting in your hometown or your location, and the Instagram server is located in somewhere else in the data center. Okay, so how exactly it works? Just I want to give you a high level overview. See, now I'm at your home or you're at your home, either laptop or mobile phone. Suppose mobile phone here, I'm just uploading a photo. Okay, so you have internet connection through router, right? So first the data will go to the router. The router will go to the modem. From modem, it will go to the internet service provider. You have taken internet connection from Airtel, Geo, or else your broadbands, right? Hathway or Act Fiber or anything. The service provider. So from service provider to towards data center, the Instagram is located in some data center, which is in maybe Delhi or Mumbai or other countries like Texas or UK, Ireland, somewhere else in the world. The Instagram server is located. So the Instagram server, it is located in data center. From your local service provider to the Instagram data center, right? We have a physical cable connectivity. That physical cable connectivity laid through underground or maybe through poles. However, you have a physical connectivity. You know what? At every 40 to 30 to 40 kilometers, we use router. Okay. For every 30 to 40 kilometers, we use router. Okay. So what router you use? You may see the router at your home, right? Wi-Fi router. That router cost is just 1500 to 2000 rupees. But the router which is using in real time, that is completely different. The router cost is more than 2 lakhs rupees. It is more than 2 lakh rupees. Okay. So every 30 kilometers until the data center, it means we have a Geo, we have Airtel in our India, right? So Airtel is spread across the India. Every 30 kilometers from state to state, district to district, mandal to mandal, they already installed routers. Thousands of routers they installed. Okay. So they connected through fiber optical cable. If you see the black color cables right on the poles, those are not a current wires. Those are the fiber optical cables. So if you see some, right, some underground, some underground construction or something, some work is going on, right? If they dig underground, so you will see some yellow color pipes or green color pipes, something. Have you seen that pipes? Anyone? Some kind of pipes. Uh, Anyone? Have you
No,
seen
sir.
it? So
No,
some
sir.
kind of, so maybe on the poles, right? On current poles, you may see the black color cables, black color small cables. Those are all our fiber cables. Okay. Through underground also, you may see the pipes. Okay. So we have fiber optical cable through that pipes. So every 30 kilometers, this we will have a connection through fiber cable till the data center. Okay. From router to router, router to router, and the server is also connected to the router. Okay. So who will maintain all these routers and switches? We are. We are the network engineers. We will maintain these routers and switches. Okay. So this is how. Now the data will flow from here to Instagram server or YouTube server, and it will upload your image in these servers. Okay. This is just a diagramical way, high level overview. So let me show you the real pictures to you guys. So now, if you see, right, this is a storage server. Are you seeing it, right? Whatever you are uploading the images, right? The images in Instagram, those are storing in these hard disks. See how many hard disks are connected to this server. This is the storage server. Whatever you are uploading right in Instagram or YouTube, all the data is storing here. And even though Google is giving 10 GB of free memory to you, right? To 5 GB or 10 GB. So Google is giving to store your photos and videos. They're giving free storage services to you for up to 10 GB, right? So whatever it is, whatever you are uploading the data in internet, everything will store here. Okay. So this is a data center. It look like this. So this is a data center. You will see there are a lot of racks here, right? All the racks you will see the servers. These servers are connected to the routers and switches. Okay. These servers are connected to the routers and switches. See here. So this is a Google data center. Can you see my screen, everyone? This is a Google data center. See how many racks we have. There's a bunch of racks. If you see, all these are servers, right? All these are servers, and these servers are connected to the router. See, this is the yellow color cables, right? LAN cables. These are connected to the top of rack. You can see, right? There is a one device. Are you seeing here? This is a device. Are you seeing it here? Right? It's a device. Okay. So let me highlight this here. Okay. Are you seeing this? This is a device here. Okay. So all these servers are connected to this device, top of rack. So these are connected to the internet. Okay. So now everyone accessing the Google server. This is how internet works at the back end. Whatever you want to search in internet, right? So the signal will go to the data center. Data center have all the servers and all the information, and whatever you are searching it, right, it is displaying on your browser. Okay. This is where exactly the data center stores the data. Okay. Now, how exactly country to country internet is works? Okay. How exactly it works? See here.
మనవారి కోసం కేవలం సింఫనీ వారి రిమ్ఝిమ్ కూలింగ్
So advertise is playing. Yeah.
Thinking Virginia Beach in the
If you see here, right? So if you observe, right, if any recently you have seen, right, in cricket World Cup, which was held in USA, right? So wherever the match is going on, you are watching on live. How exactly it is happening? If something is happening in US, you are watching on live. If something is happening on Australia, you are watching on live. Currently in India, we are watching all IPL matches on live, right? Wherever if you have internet connection, you can watch all the matches on live. How exactly it is happening? Because each and every country, they are connected each other through cable. Okay, what cable? Fiber optical cable. If you see here, right, so this is a fiber optical cable where exactly the country to country is connected. Okay, let me show you here. So if you see, right, are you seeing this? So India is connected several location. So whatever you see these lines, these are the fiber optical cables which are laid through ocean, under ocean. Okay. So let me see. Let me show you the, you know, you may see, right. If you see in intermediate or BTech, right, there is a fiber optical communication. You can see core and cladding. Okay. This is a fiber optical cable. Whatever you see, right. So they will lay the fiber optical cable over the ocean with special ship. Okay. So whatever you see, right, this is a core. So your data, high speed data. Okay. So fiber optical communication, fiber optics, it will handle the data, huge data in the form of light, laser. So light speed. What is the light speed? It's 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So we can send and receive the data with with 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second speed. However, we are not manufactured the devices to accept that much of speed. 10 years back, we have 3G. Now we have 5G because the technology is growing. We are manufacturing those devices to accept that much of speed. But it has a we have a feasibility to send and receive the data with the speed of 3 to 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. See, the data will travel through light very fast. Now you are able to download the movie within 1 to 2 minutes, right? 1 GB of movie. 10 years back, it will take 1 day to download movie. Now you are able to download easily, right? So this is a fiber optical cable. So see, this is the ocean cable. So with this special ship, right, they lay the cable and through ocean, they will connect the cable between country to country. So here it is. You can see, right? So we have a special drivers. So if you want to do any splicing, if you want to join the cable, so they can, send this drivers and they can do this thing. Okay. Yeah. Let me show you some. Yeah, you can see, right? So these are the fiber optical cables. So you should in through ocean in ocean you can see a lot of sharks and other animal another things, right? So they can bite the cables and it can be damaged. So to protect your cable, it will be very strong, right? So see here, these are the cables. Okay, these are the fiber cores. So in this small cable, you can see, right, how many cores we have, how many connections we have. So this is made with glass actually. The fiber is made with glass. So all the data will travel through this small cable, countries to countries. Okay. Yeah, see, this is a special ship. They laid the fiber between country to country through this special equipment. You know what? In 2016, Geo gave free 4G services to us. Why? Because he has his own cable laid from Mumbai to another location. Currently, he's expanding to to lay the cable from Chennai to Malaysia and other countries. Okay, so if you have your own infrastructure, he can provide the services without any cost. See, this is a fiber cable they laid through ocean. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, let me show you. We have a mobile carriers in US. You can see AT&T, Comcast. In US, UK, right? You have British Telecom. In India, we have Airtel, Jio, BSNL, SIFI Technologies, Tata Communications. All these are service providers. They have their own infrastructure. See, so this is a special ship. They laid the cable between country to country. Also, so Microsoft and Meta is having their own infrastructure. Google also. So they have their own cable. They don't depend on other third-party vendors. So they're investing in billions of rupees, billions of dollars, and they laid their own cable between countries to countries. These are the big organizations. See, this is completely our old, right? So now I want to show you in India where exactly we have connected each other. Okay, in India where exactly we have connected each other. I'll show you. Let's end this. Okay, now see here. So you have seen, right? This is the ocean cable. Okay, this is a ocean cable. So they lay the cable under ocean between the countries to countries. You will see this is the cores, and this is a cladding. See, it is protecting with metals from sharks. These are the fishes, right? You can see the big fishes, sharks, and if the shark is biting, right, the cable will cut, and it is very hard to go down and join the cable. It's so to protect such things, we need to manufacture the cable, with good protection. Okay, and now in India, there are 5 places we have connected with other countries. One is Mumbai location, if you see, right? One is Mumbai, another one is Cochin and Trivandrum, Tuticorin and Chennai. These are the 5 locations where India is exactly connected. Okay, so the Mumbai is connected to other countries like Iran. You can see Yemen here, Kochi to Trivandrum to Maldives, Tuticorin to Sri Lanka, Chennai to Malaysia, Thailand, like this. All the countries, not only India, all the countries are connected to each other one by one. So suppose we have a data center here, right? This data center is connecting with service providers called Airtel and Jio. Those are connecting to this IXPs. So whatever you see, right, these we call internet exchange points, IXPs. Okay, these are internet exchange points. Okay, so whatever the service providers we have in our India, right, all are will connected to this internet exchange points. Whatever the data we have in our India, right, everyone can see in this world because they are connected to these locations through fiber. Okay, so that's why we are quickly accessing the data with high speed. Okay, yeah, so these are the 5 locations. And now if you see, right, so fiber, through fiber, what how the data will flow through light, right? Light is also have validity, right? It can travel up to some distance. After some distance, the signal will lose, right? Suppose if you see here, right? I'm giving a real-time example here. So between, 1 second. So if you see, right, Mumbai to Chennai, you can consider there are 1,000 kilometers distance. Just consider it's 1,000 kilometers, Mumbai to Chennai. Okay. So after 100 kilometers, the signal will lose. Okay. After 100 kilometers, the signal will lose. The thing is, after losing, right, it will be a big problem, right? So that's why we use DWDM devices. These are the layer 1 devices. Okay. These devices will boost the signals up to 100 kilometers again. Okay. Every 100 kilometers, they use this kind of WDM devices. These devices will boost the input signal. They will amplify the input signal. Okay. So now how many DWM devices we need for 1,000 kilometers? We need 10 DWM devices in real time. Okay. Like that between the, you know, this is just layer 1 only. This is a cable only. It's a layer 1 stuff. Okay. These WDM devices are layer 1 devices. It will boost the signals for up to 100 kilometers. Okay. And now, please go on mute, guys. Who is unmuted? Okay, fine. So please note that these are the devices. Who will maintain these devices? Optical network engineers. Optical network engineers will maintain these devices. Now, optical network engineers also, they have to learn layer 3 technologies, networking technologies, because now they're manufacturing the DWM devices with layer 3 technologies. Okay. So now layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, everything will comes together with one device. The technology is evolving. Okay. Yeah. Now, these are the real devices. I told you, right? Every 30 kilometers we have a router, right? Now this is a router it look likes. See, these are the routers. Are you seeing this? These routers will be the price will start from 2 lakhs to more than 5 crores, 6 crores. Okay. So the cost of routers is very huge. Okay. These are the big routers they use in data centers. These are the small routers they use in field. So these are the routers and these are the switches. If you join in any company, Infosys or TCS or wherever you go, in each and every floor, maybe 100 employees are there. All the 100 employees require 100 computers. How they will get the internet connection? They will connect to the all the computers connected to the switches. It's a 48 port switch. Up to 48 computers, it can give you internet connection. These switches are connected to the routers. Okay. They will get the internet from router and these switches are distributing the internet to all the switches up to 48. If you have 100, right, they will take one more switch and switch to switch. They will connect it like this. Okay. These switches, these routers and firewalls. Firewalls are very important in every organization. Without security, they won't deploy any technology because there are a lot of attackers, hackers, they try to enter into your organization and they try to steal your company information. You need to protect, right, from those attacks. So you need a firewall. So in this firewall, the Palo Alto is the number one vendor in this firewall technology. See, if you see, right, which is the security device, which is top vendor. You can say top vendor. Top vendor in security. Firewall, you can say top firewall, vendor firewall. Currently, where is it? Uh, Networking world, right? Networking domain. You can see where is Palo Alto.
It's on top. Go down, sir. Already it came.
Yeah. So, top vendor in
No, no. It's
security.
already. It's already in the page, sir. Go down.
No, it will show you at the top actually. So the top vendor in firewall is like Palo Alto. Palo Alto is a top vendor. So it's a Fortinet. So I need to search in the right keyboard actually. So, you can say firewall vendor, top 10. So several companies are consistently ranked in firewall market with Palo Alto networks. Okay, so Palo Alto is a number one. Okay, vendor in I will show you here also. If you search it right, so let me put it in group as well here. So if it is a Udemy course, right? Skills, top 100 skills. Out of top 100 skills, Palo Alto is in number 4. Okay, let me show you that as well here. It's very important. Okay, it supports next generation fire. It's a next generation firewall, and it supports cyber security features also. Okay, so I'm posting in our group. If you see here, right, this is it. If you hear right, if you see here, right, so this is the top skills, top 100 skills in 2025. Okay, so let me show you the URL also. One second, I'll show you the URL as well. Yeah, this is the one. I have it, but let me put it in a new group. Okay, so generally people will learn technologies based on the top priority, right? So which technology is good, which technology if you learn, which technology will give you high packages and all. Based on that, you will learn the things. But I don't encourage to learn the technology like that. If you have to build a passion. So these are these are Udemy skills. See this top 100 fastest growing global skills in 2025. Okay, for 2025. So if you see right, Palo Alto firewall is number 4. Okay, first in long chain, second is ChatGPT, generative AI, and Dynatrace is third one, and Palo Alto is our networking stuff. And networking, everything is root canal is also part of networking, and you can see Cisco Packet Tracer, everything will be listed here. See Cisco Packet Tracer, there are a lot of things here which is part of networking. Okay, so here we are giving Palo Alto training in this internship. I'll tell you after this demo. Okay, so whatever you see this, right, routers, switches, firewalls, like our mobile phones, right, our mobile phones are manufactured by Apple company, Samsung company, OnePlus, like this. We have a lot of vendors. Those we call vendors. Similarly, these routers, switches are manufactured by different companies. They have their own operating system. Okay, so commercially Cisco is in top for enterprise networking. Okay, switches, routers, and firewalls as well. But purely networking stuff, the Palo Alto is the number one domain in security. And Juniper is also a good product that is used in service provider environment. Okay, still we are using. So I worked in Amazon. In Amazon, we are using Juniper. In service provider also they are using Juniper. Okay, we have other vendors also called Nokia, Arista devices also, but these three are very top. Okay, if you know all about these three products, you may learn Arista also. If you know Cisco, you can easily learn about Arista. If you know Juniper, now Juniper is acquired by HP company. HP already bought the Juniper. Okay, so their operating system is almost same. So if you know Juniper, you will able to handle other vendors as well. Similarly, Palo Alto. If you know Palo Alto's stuff, right? It is easily to understand other vendors as well. Okay, yeah. So we are combining all these Palo Alto course and Juniper and Cisco and making as a creating as a internship. Okay, so what? Okay, this is one thing. So why we need networking? To provide the internet to the customers, right? Yeah. So networking is we need to provide the internet to the customers. How internet works? This is the backend stuff. All these devices are involved. All these devices are hardware devices. Okay. In these hardware devices, we use to configure protocols, routing and switching protocols. Okay, who will configure, who will maintain this huge equipment? Network engineers. We are the network engineers. After completion of this training, right, you will become a network engineer. You will handle all these devices. Okay, in case if one device goes down, you will see $1 million of loss. Okay, recently, Windows got a hit by a bug. There is a lot of impact. Even though WhatsApp also sometimes if you observe, right, The WhatsApp messages will not be delivered. Sometimes, voice calls also will not work because the servers which are connected to these devices are down. It may be issue with the routers or servers or anything. So who will troubleshoot all those issues? We are the network engineers who troubleshoot all the issues. So try to understand, okay, before joining this course, this is the technology. This is what you need to work after completion of this course. You will get a job as a network engineer and you will handle all these products, okay, remotely. All these products are located in data center. You will sit at your office. You will take it. You will log in through devices remotely and you will handle it. Okay, so these are all products, and one wonderful thing is in networking domain is you will settle in a product based company easily. So if you in software engineers cannot settle in a product based companies, okay, but in network engineers you can easily settle. Software engineers are comes under IT, network engineers are comes under IT. Both are same pay scale, same thing. However, we have a huge openings in networking domain. Now the code, everything is written by AI, but AI cannot replace the network engineers because if any link goes down, AI cannot walk and replace it, right? Cable. If you want to configure any protocol, AI cannot do that. Okay. So here human intelligence is required. Okay. However, we use automation to reduce the administrative work. That is different story. But AI is not affecting our networking domain jobs. Still, we are having lot of openings. You know what? You know what? In my company, April month, there are 15 candidates who got a job. You can check in my YouTube channel, success stories. A lot of people are getting job because we are giving the knowledge at packet level. After completion of this 2 months of course, right, you will get 10 years of experience. People who are having 10 years of experience, right, that kind of knowledge you will get it. Because I supposed to teach CCIE, but I'm not teaching that. I'm teaching CCNA at CCIE level. CCNA concepts I'm teaching at CCIE level, at packet level. No one will give you Wireshark analysis, product training. Here I'm giving you that. So that's why it's called industrial training. Whatever we implemented in real time, right? I'm giving the training, all the labs, all the scenario things, entire thing. Whatever the job I'm doing, right? Job I have done so far, those job tasks, everything I will teach you here. Real time stuff. If you want to learn the concepts with real time knowledge, this is the best platform. Okay, lot of vendors are here. Nokia is also there. You think that Nokia is only a double phone? No, man. The double phone is only for 1% in Nokia. So Nokia is manufacturing antennas, routers. There are a lot of stuff. Okay, in Nokia, Huawei also in entire China market they are using Huawei devices. Okay, and Juniper. There are a lot of devices. These are the routers and switches. And now you can see after completion of this course, what kind of job roles you will see. Network engineering data center. So whatever the devices in data center, right? Networking device you need to handle it. And the next one is see I worked as a network engineering data center. Have you seen? This is me in the year of 2016. Okay, how see how I look it here. So these all are servers. Okay, సో తవ్వకాల్లో బయటపడింది ఈ పిక్ సో అందుకే ఇక్కడ పెట్టా ఓకే ఫైన్ నో ప్రాబ్లం సో ఇఫ్ యూ సీ రైట్ సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ర్యాక్స్ ఓకే సో ఐఎమ్ రియలీ బ్లెస్డ్ బికాస్ at the early age I have a opportunity to work with data centers at field. If you do a field job for at least 6 months to 1 year, you will have a opportunity to work with these devices. You will get a lot of knowledge. Okay, at that time I'm not expecting any salary. So because these devices are the cost of these devices is in crores and lakhs. So I'm very blessed to see those devices and configure all the things in the year of 2016, almost 9 years back. Okay, so that is one networking engineer role. Another one is network analyst. So network analyst can analyze all the all the networking stuff in company. So if they will do root cause analysis, whatever the issues comes, there will be a lot of issues. Okay, so yeah, they will hire you to troubleshoot the issues. So network analyst will do that. Okay, yeah. And next is knock. So knock engineer is very important role. So freshers they used to get this knock role. The thing is you have thousands of devices in a data center. So I worked in Amazon. Okay, so can anyone expect how many devices we have seen? Just expect a expect a count. Give me a count. Can you imagine how many devices you will see in data center, routers and switches? Anyone having any idea? Just rough figure.
No,
Unmute and
sir.
talk. No, just just randomly guess it now.
In
Sir,
thousands.
thousands of
Thousands?
numbers.
How many thousands? Just don't give a general thing.
Just
Just six.
1,000,
Okay,
1,500, 2,000, like
like
that.
okay. So it's not like 1,000 man. It's 1,50,000. Okay, 1,15,000, 50,000 devices we have in one data center. That is only one data center. We have a thousands of data centers in this world. Okay, so if anything happened to this device, any cable, right? Here we have a cables, right? If this cable down or if anything happens to device, how you will come to know, right? There is a lot of protocols you need to configure. This knock team will monitor all these 1,50,000 devices. In case if anything happens, right? Here you will see the red color, right? It will show in red alert. Hey, this device is down. It will show you here. How the police control team monitor the CC cameras. That is also a knock team. In police people also they monitor all the traffic things, right? Wherever the cameras are there, right? So in monitoring, they are doing monitoring in the big screen. It's also monitoring the cameras. CCTV cameras will connect to the this LAN cable. Okay, IPCC cameras. Those are cameras. Even you can watch it on your phone, right? Live. So if anything happens, right, those devices, it will show you here in this display. The knock engineer will check it. He will check it. If it requires, he will send a field engineer to the location and he will coordinate with the site engineer and he will resolve the issues. So that is a knock engineer role. So in knock engineers, they don't have much knowledge. If you have a opportunity to join as a knock engineer, just only work for 1 or 1.5 years. That's it. Do not stay as a knock engineer more than 1.5 years. If you stay there, you won't learn anything. I'm promising you. There are a lot of knock engineers join in my company, and maybe in this batch also, at least one knock engineer will be there. Is there any knock engineer in this batch currently? Just asking. Anyone here? Any experienced candidates here?
Yeah, so network analyst.
Network analyst, nice man. Okay, so okay, fine. So knock engineers, right? It is good for freshers. Okay, so if you get an opportunity as a knock engineer, join for freshers. Okay, and L1 network engineer is a L1. They will not give you any access to you. They will only give you view access. You can just log in the devices and verify the things. Okay, for a few months. After that, they will promote you L2. Okay, and this is a network administrator. You can see small hospitals, big five-star hotels. They have a lot of networking equipment. In hospitals also, we have a server room, network admin room. Okay, so who will maintain that entire network? The network administrator. He will check each and everything end to end, and he will maintain the entire office stuff. Okay, yeah. Now service provider guys. So service providers are like Tata Communications, Sifi Networks, Airtel, Jio. If you get an opportunity to work with service providers, right? Blindly close your blindly join the blindly join in service provider, because in service provider you will learn a lot, you will see a lot of things. Okay, so these yellow color things you can see, right? These are the cables, fiber cables. Okay, yeah. So you can get a job in service provider environment also. That's why in this domain we have a plenty of jobs. Still there are 14,000 jobs are still we have in India. 14,000 jobs are there in India as a freshers only. Freshers, experienced candidates, they have already. Okay, so no. Now the next role is TAC network engineer. So after having some experience, 4 to 5 years, you can directly apply for product based companies. Okay, in product based companies you will get an opportunity as a TAC engineer. This is a very good role, guys. So if you get a job role as a TAC engineer, you are the perfect in network. You will become a professional. Okay, TAC engineer is the highest role in networking domain. Okay, so if you want to join in Cisco TAC engineer, Palo Alto TAC engineer. If any issues comes, right, they will raise a ticket with TAC engineer. So I worked as a TAC engineer almost for 5 years. Okay, in different vendors. Okay, so you will rule the world. You will interact with global customers. You will resolve a lot of issues in TAC environment. Okay, so you have a Cisco, Palo Alto, Juniper, Fortinet, VMware, Microtech. There are a lot of Sophos, firewalls, checkpoint, FI load balancer. These are the firewalls, okay? So we will have that's why we have a lot of vendors. If you learn this technology, you can easily get a job in product based company. So what do you mean by product based company? If they have a hardware device or software, whatever it is, software is also a product, right? If they have their own product, we call it as a product based companies. This TCS, Wipro, Infosys, where they will get a projects, they will get a projects from these product based companies only. We used to call clients, right? So the clients are this only for them. Infosys, those clients are Microsoft, Amazon. These all are product-based companies. They will give projects to these service-based companies. They will give you 1 lakh rupees per. The budget is 1 lakh rupees for each and every engineer. They will give you only 25,000 to you. They will keep the 75,000 in their pockets. Okay. So if you join in service-based company, you will get only 25,000. If you join in product-based company, that 1 lakh rupees you will get it. Along with that, you will get a lot of advantages in product-based company. Okay, so my training is, if you want to settle in a product-based companies like Cisco, Oracle, Amazon, this is the best platform. Learn the things at packet level. You cannot get a job easily in product-based company, right? You need to learn at packet level. Packet level learning is very important. It means if you type anything here, right? Now I'm on Google browser. I'm typing tungabhadranetworks.in website. So if I'm typing tungabhadranetworks.in website, what exactly it is happening at the back end, my computer to the server. My Tungabhadra Networks server is located in somewhere else in Mumbai. Okay, in data center. I have taken a cloud services. I'm in Hyderabad now. So Hyderabad, my Kukatpalli branch office to the Mumbai. How exactly it is established a connection, and from your location also you will able to access this, right? So how it is happening, that kind of knowledge I'm giving you here, packet level. Okay, now there is a one more role, cloud network engineer. So if you see, right, this is a device. This device cost is 1 crore rupees. So ASR, this ASR 903, sorry, ASR 9010, ASR 920, ASR 9K, all these three devices here. So this is me again in the year of 2016. So I worked in data center. What do you mean by cloud network engineer? It is simple. If you work in a data center, right, as a network engineer, we call cloud network engineer. Okay, yeah. So these are the routers, you can see bunch of routers. Okay, yeah, these are Amazon data center. I have taken a pic here. Okay, so very clean and good. So guys, Amazon is very good company, but yeah, so you can easily get it if you have a packet level knowledge. Okay, and now this is me. That's all about technology. That's all about it. And here I'm telling you, you may get a field jobs, you may get a office jobs, but for freshers, I'm telling you, if you get an opportunity to work with field, you will see the devices. At least work in field for 6 to 1 year. In case if you get, maximum people are getting a job at office. So guys, so in this networking domain, do not expect we will get a purely IT culture, like we have a weekend parties, we have a girls and boys and enjoying, there is nothing like that in this networking domain. I'm telling you clearly. So I worked for a field engineer for 4 years. If you want to grow in your life, if you want to settle in product based company, knowledge is the thing. Without having any skills, you don't have, you know you will not get opportunities. So I got the skills in field. I saw the real devices. I worked on real devices. See, this is me. So this is, I worked for one government project. You may see all this kind of racks, right, in banks or hospitals. You may see this kind of racks, with this kind of racks. Okay, so here routers or switches are there. This is in the year of 2014. So I worked in field engineer, right? Then I moved to service provider. So these are the DWM devices. This is me again. Okay, so these are the ASR 922 devices. I worked in real, on real devices. Then after that, my dream company is Infosys. I joined in Infosys, but after joining Infosys, I found that there is no much technical here. Even though I was impressed by those buildings, big buildings and all infrastructure ambience, but I did not satisfied in my career, technical part. So if you want to grow in your life, right, there are two things. One is technical growth, another one is financial growth. Even though they are offering a good amount, if there is no technical, if you're compromising and doing there, right, you're working there, you will be lost at some time. Okay, technically, if you're good, no one will touch you. Okay, so I did not satisfied here because I was in bench, only DJs, parties, nothing is there. I didn't find a right project in Infosys. I'm telling you directly. Okay, so service based companies, they will hire you, they will put you in bench. And if they will, they will tell you to attend the interviews again. You giving interview and join in any company, again you need to give interviews for the clients, for the projects. If you clear that, then only you will be get a project. Otherwise, they will give you 3 to 4 chance. If you don't clear that, they will send you out. Always danger to get into the service based companies. Okay, so I don't recommend for networking domain people, right? So I don't recommend to work in all these kind of works. Okay, in these companies. So, if you want to get a job, directly get a job in product-based companies. People who are working in already TCS, Infosys, right? Now it's time to move to product-based companies. Work on it. So I worked here for only 7 months. Then I moved to Juniper company. See, this is a Juniper tag. So here I worked as a Juniper. Then after that I moved to Nokia. Nokia I joined in during Corona. So that's why there is no picture here. Then I moved to Amazon, and currently I'm working in Oracle as well. So you may see recent vlog. I made a vlog how the office it is, right? It is there in YouTube, you can check it. Okay, yeah, so this is my journey. So I'm telling you, people may underestimate the power of field job. Do not do that. Don't underestimate. Okay, so people who are doing field job, they will get a more practical knowledge. Okay, so here in my company there are almost 80 plus candidates got a job, freshers. So out of 80, 15 to 20 people got a field job, remaining people got at a office job only. Okay, so it is vice versa. It depends on the project. Okay, yeah, now this is a pay scale. Okay, so once you get a job, we are guaranteed that minimum the package will start from 2.5 lpa. Okay, 2 lpa 2.5 lpa, it will go up to 4.5. It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you, because you are based on your skills, the company budget they will give you, but the starting salary is 2.5 for freshers. Okay, currently we are hiring, right? Yesterday also, for the first time in my company Kukatpalli branch office, the client came to here. Generally the client will go to the colleges, or they will do campus requirement or recruitment, or else walk-in drives. But first time they visited to my office and they hired the candidates. Two candidates got selected out of 4 people. It was last moment announcement. So they need profiles now. So we are sending the candidates, to to the client on Monday. Okay, yeah, there are a lot of clients are coming here for candidates, skillful candidates. Okay, so this is a package. Okay, if you have good experience, right, you will get minimum, mid level you will get 12 lpa minimum. Okay, so if you have senior level, right, you will get 20 plus also. Okay, and you may have a question like, what is your salary? You want me to know my salary? Hello?
Yes,
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 sir.
yes.
That is a
I'm
general
about to.
question, right? That is a general question,
Exactly.
right? Yeah. So I'll tell you, don't worry. So this is a mid-level, based on your skill set. Okay. It's not like senior mid-level guys. I'm telling you. My one of my student is, he has just having 3 years of experience. He got 14 LPA. Okay. He just got 3 years of experience. Okay. For me to get a 14 LPA, it took me almost 6 years. It took me 6 years to get a 14 LPA, but he got it within 3 years. That's why a few years back, I don't have proper guidance. Now I'm giving a guidance to the candidates. They're easily getting the job. So the thing is, you need to show your proper skills. I'll tell you. Okay. So yeah. So we are providing Juniper certification, right? If so, we are giving Juniper training, and if you have to do a certification. The main thing is you have to do a certification. If you want to do a CCNA certification, the cost of CCNA examination fee itself 33,000, and you want to pass it, people are paying 8,000 rupees extra, and they are passing the certification. This is the ground level reality. I don't want to encourage that. Okay, we are not giving such kind of stuff. However, I worked in Juniper, so the Juniper JNCIA cost is, you know almost 22,000 examination fee. I will provide you one exam. If you pass that exam, you will get a 15,000 rupees discount. Okay, you may get just 5.5k, 5,500. Within 5,500, you will get a certification from Juniper itself, and that is valid for 3 years. And you can use this logo on your resume, and it is very important. See, certification of this is how it look like. So if you want to know, right, see, if you want to know whatever the skills I am giving training, right, so go to the Naukari. Naukri is a job portal, right? Everyone knows it. Naukri is a job portal. Log in here and search for Juniper, right? I'm giving JNCIA. Search for JNCIA skill and you will see plenty of jobs here. How many jobs you found? 4,303. See, CCNP required or JNCIA certification is preferred. Yes or no? Network consultant. Are you seeing this or not? Hello, everyone. Are you seeing this?
Seeing this? Yeah, seeing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So
So
please go on mute. So please go on mute. So what is they are asking? They are asking CCNP certification or JNCIA certification. JNCIA. CCNP cost is very high. Okay. CCNP certification is required or else JNCIA. Where is that JNCIA? Here. Yeah, here if you see, right? JNCIA or JNCS preferred. I am giving JNCIA or JNCS training. Okay. So to get a JNCA certification, you'll just get within 5,500 rupees. But CCNA, CCNP, it will be thousands. So they don't know. People doesn't have awareness of this actually. Okay. So JNCA is equal to Cisco. Okay. So no one is giving JNCA training because they don't know the knowledge. A lot of people don't know the knowledge. Luckily, in Telugu community, that too, I worked in Juniper company directly. I know the concepts. So I'm giving you the concepts. You can write the exam by your own. You no need to give any money to anyone to write the exam. You can write the exam by your own at your office, at your home, or come to my office and write it. Okay? Yeah. So there are a lot of persons who passed Juniper exam. If you see right here, JN0105, we have a group. Okay, here. See, recently, just few days back, he passed the exam. His name is Kumar. So he passed the exam. Okay, he scored 88%. Out of 100, he got 88. Okay, so there are a lot of people here who passed the Juniper exam. See, these guys also passed the exam. And lot of people pass the exam here. We have a groups, okay, here. So this is Juniper certification and we have a night shifts here, guys. So definitely it's IT, right? You may see the night shifts. So recently, right, if you go to my website, so we updated the recent profiles who got the job right recently. If you scroll down, you will see all the candidates. So all these guys just they got the job within 25 days, guys. These guys are 2025 BTech passed out guys. Still they are going for reviews, project reviews. They got the job. Okay, so Vedang is our client. So in Vedang only they got 10 plus, 10 plus profiles. We selected, and this guy Narendra, he's a BA history economics. So he's nothing related to the technical. It's completely out of syllabus. Okay, but he didn't give up. He is a 2021 passed out. He got a job in Qubit. He got a 3.4 LPA as a fresher, and he attended the interview through walk-in, out of lot of members he cleared it. Okay, because we are giving it that kind of knowledge. So and experienced candidates also they got 110% hike. There are a lot of success stories, people who are having career gap, non-technical to, so she's also non-technical person, non-technical to technical. We are giving a real-time projects, right? We will convert your non-technical to technical. Suppose we should have proper proper pay slips, proper relieving letter, genuine experience. I don't encourage anything fake. I don't encourage anything backdoor. Okay. So whatever you see, right, whoever is offering the backdoor, right, it's completely fake. Okay. So we will give you, we will give you pure skills, the packet level skills, and we will refer you accordingly. Okay. So do not believe backdoors, fake certificates. You will join through fake certificates and they will easily identify through BGC and they'll send you out. You are spending at least 20 to 30,000 rupees for fake certificates. Instead of spending that, do a certification. They will lay the red carpet and they will hire you. So they will give you a lot of importance if you do certification. Okay, yeah, these are the people who got the job recently. So still there are a lot of people we need to update here. So it's not updated now. Okay, so yeah, so guys, there are three things here. Non-technical people, if anyone is here, right, if you have proper relieving letter, proper pay slips and bank statements, okay, we will convert that non-technical experience to technical experience by giving real-time projects. Because in your company also you will see the networking team, right? Yes or no? In everywhere you will see the networking team. Without networking, without internet, there is nothing in this world, right? So in even in hospitals also you will see the network engineers, but you don't see the software engineers. You tell I worked as a hospital as a software in soft. I worked in a hospital as a software engineer, right? No one will believe it because why software engineer will work at hospital, but network engineers are there. Okay, so you can use that. I'm giving the real time projects, and you can convey that I was working with IT team, and you can move to networking domain. And freshers, right? It depends on your hard work. So the policy how we refer the candidates is we will give you 2 months of training. After 1 month, we will take a after 1 month CCNA will be completed. After CCNA completed, right, we will take internal interviews. So my company is a purely networking company. So my company HR will take you first round, and second round will take by my technical team, and third round I'll be the person who take the third round, me or Karthik. Okay, so once you clear these 3 rounds, we will we already prepare your resumes. Okay, freshers especially, so that we will refer it accordingly. Okay, so quickly, so what you need to do is you need to complete the labs. Here everything is labs. If you see the CCNA syllabus, this is a syllabus here. We will give you for each and every protocol with labs, basics. So I designed this course. Okay, so there are a lot of syllabus which is not there in CCNA, but I included here. So since it is a industrial training, the topics which are not as per the syllabus, the topics which are as per the industry standards, whatever the protocols, whatever the topics we are using in real time, right? I'm bringing here and telling here. See here, this is a phase one. Basics I will teach you for 1 week. Then routing and switching technologies I will teach for 2 weeks here. And product training, high availability, IPsec, NAT, each and everything we are using in real time. Okay. I will cover all these topics with real time labs and scenarios. Okay. What you need to do is you need to do hard work for just 30 days. Then rest we will take care of it. Okay. Yeah. And yeah. So the thing is, one second, let me see this. So these are the profiles who got the jobs. You will see night shifts as well. Okay. So before going to ask your queries, right, I want to clarify one thing here. Okay. So which course I need to take? You may have confusion, right? So we are offering internship program. So why internship is we are combining all these three courses and giving you, you know, giving you as an internship. Okay. So once you complete this internship, right, you will get a certification also. Okay, so you will get a certifier. So that certification, okay, that certification you can publish in your LinkedIn as well. It's a digital certification, guys. It's a digital certification. So I'm spending $34 rupees. I'm spending $34 rupees, sorry, $34 for each certification. Okay, so that the certification is look like this. I will show you now. So once you completed this internship, right, we will give a certification as well. To get the certification, you must clear the interview. So you have to clear the interview, here. So the certification is look like this. So recently I issued here. So this is a certification of internship. Okay, we will cover CCNA, Juniper, and PCNSE training. Okay, and this is a digital certificate. Okay, so this is a digital certificate. So you can see like this. Okay, now if you want to share your award in LinkedIn, you can share it. So if you share this certificate to your future company HR, right, they will click on this digital and it will verify in internet. See, it is verified or not. So it is successfully verified. It is a authorized certificate now. Okay, so we are a registered company. We have all authority to give certificate. Okay, so this is a certificate we will provide you after completion of this course. So for freshers, I'm telling you, you have to take internship. So in this internship, you will learn CCNA, Juniper with certification, and PCSE Palo Alto training. These three skills are mandatory to get a job. So whoever got the job right recently, they got the skills. Skills are important. Okay. So all the freshers, you must do internship. For experienced candidates also, I am recommended this because multi-vendor knowledge is very important. In one organization, they use router for Cisco, they use switch for Juniper, they use firewall for Palo Alto. Because, you know, in your home only, you will buy TV, LG company, Samsung, refrigerator is Samsung, mix is another company. Based on your requirement and budget and features, you will buy, right? Similarly, networking also, they will buy from different vendor. Router, switch, firewalls, they will buy from different vendors. Okay, so you should have multi-vendor knowledge. Then only they will prefer you. Okay, so it's always recommend you to take a internship. Now it's up to you. My responsibility is whatever the industries companies are looking right, I am going to give here. So it's up to you what you want to take it. And experienced candidates, so this internship can take, you can take it. Okay, so experienced candidates also in technical and non-technical, so there is no such a training differentiation here. For freshers and experienced candidates, we are giving the same kind of training, guys. Okay, for freshers and experienced candidates. Okay, yeah. And now, non-technical people also, please take internship. I'm telling you, everyone, please take this internship to become a professional network engineer. And especially one more important information, people whoever is working as a network engineer now, whoever is working as a network engineer now, they want to skill up and they want to enhance, right? You must take CCNA and CCNP both, because CCNP we will cover MPLS technologies, and there are a lot of things we will cover in CCNP. Okay, so BGP we will teach you each and everything. Okay, so for CCNA I am going to teach you BGP, but not each and everything. Whatever it requires at CCNA level, I will teach that. But CCNP, for experienced candidates, you need more. MP, BGP, there are a lot of things. If you need a good packages, right, you should have skills. So what is the CCNP syllabus here? You can see CCNP syllabus here. Architectures, data center architectures, everything I will teach. Like MPLS, BGP, ISIS also I will teach here. LDP, RSVP, okay, and some other features. So everything is important. TechAx, Radius, everything will be covered here. Okay, yeah. So that is CCNP. For experienced candidates, I'm telling you, whoever is experienced, right, along with internship, take CCNP also. And at the end, your wish, guys. Whatever the course you want to take it, you can take it. Okay, so this is what we are giving. About fee structure, here we have fee structures. Okay, I am not responsible to answer the fee structure queries. So my team, Vamshi is the manager, we have a dedicated team to discuss with this. So if you want to know the fee structure, check here, and talk to my team and enroll it accordingly. We have some policies. Okay, so fee structure and everything will taken care by my team. Technically, I am the person who take care of it. Okay, yeah. So this is it. Okay, if you have any questions, now you can ask your questions. That's all for today. Any questions, guys? One by one, you can unmute and talk.
Yeah, hi, sir. This is
Hey, hi.
Saturday, sir.
So 1 second, I'm
Yeah,
stopping. I'm stopping the recording session now. So the question and answers will be, it is personal, because you may ask the things personally, right? So I don't want to record that. So that's all for demo. Okay. If you want me to cover anything, I think I have covered everything. The placements here completely free, guys. We are giving a free, free, free placements. Okay. We are not charging anything until you get a job. We will refer you. We will train you. And one more thing here, we are giving free communication skills training. Free communication skills training, you can join multiple times in that training until you familiar with the communication, you can join that. So communication is very important. That's why it is an industrial training. What are the things which are required for to get a job, right? We are giving every training. Okay, communications and personality development training, and course technical skills, each and everything. So I'm not sure other companies or other institutions are giving this or not. I'm not sure, but I'm the responsible to fulfill your dreams, guys. So you may have some dreams. That's why you are joining here. To fulfill your dreams is my company dream. Okay, that is our policy. I'm telling you proudly. Okay, so you can see a lot of success stories in YouTube as well. Okay, so whatever I'm telling here, right? The fee structure, the subject, and everything is at YouTube. It is very transparent. Cross check with other institutions. Cross check outside, and take a decision accordingly. Yeah. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. After this I'll take your questions. Okay. Thank you guys.